Kalamkari silk sarees, the price range of 1599. Today it is going to be all off-white based sarees. These are all silk cotton sarees. Cotton mix will be there in the Kalamkari sarees, or else the print won't be brighter for the sarees. For future updates, you can please subscribe to our channel, Ameya Online. You can follow us on Facebook and Insta. Let's get on to the show. The saree which I am wearing is saree number 1. The saree is off-white based saree. It's full of vines and birds in the body of the saree. When you come to the borders, it has got orange based border with vines and peacocks, beautiful peacocks. The whole saree looks like this. And in the pallu, you can see 2 beautiful peacocks in pallu with green and orange. And it has got orange printed blouse. To block the saree, you can take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is saree number 2. It's again a off-white based saree. The saree has got nice red color vines printed all throughout the saree. This is how the saree looks. The saree has got only one border. You can see in the border it is red based border and nice peacocks on it. This is the border of the saree. Going on to the pallu. In the pallu you have one big peacock here. In the pallu, and it has got nice printed blouse. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. The saree is priced at 1599. This is saree number 3. Saree number 3 priced at 1599. In this saree, got beautiful vines all throughout the saree in blue, orange and green, colorful saree, and it has border on one side. In the border, it is orange based border with flowers in the border. You can see the border. This is how the border looks. The pallu, I've got nice blue based pallu. And it has got nice printed blouse. Priced at 1599. To block the saree, you can take a screenshot and send it to us. This is saree number 3. Moving on to the next saree. This is saree number 4. This is again an off-white based saree. These off-white based sarees are very elegant sarees. That's why we are making a video. All the sarees which you see in this video are all off-white. These are very beautiful and elegant sarees. In this saree, you can see it has got a very big peacocks at the bottom of the saree and a small border, black based border with flower vines on it. The full saree has got
Blue
beautiful
based.
vines. Huh? Border.
Okay.
And the full saree has got beautiful vines in blue and black. In the pallu, we've got big peacock in black and grey. And it has got a very nice off-white blouse, leaf printed blouse. This is how the saree looks. This is saree number 4. 3 or 4? This is saree number 4, priced at 1599. To block the saree, you can take a screenshot and send it to the number. This is saree number 5. In this saree, the mustard color What you are seeing has been highlighted in all over the sari. In the bottom there have been big peacocks, and it has got two borders. Orange color has been highlighted in the borders with vines. Mustard color. This is how the sari looks. And the pallu. This is the pallu in blue and red peacock. Nice printed blouse. This is sari number 5, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, you can take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is sari number 6. It's again a off-white based sari, and the prints here, these are called as Buttabama prints. It's a very beautiful prints, and it has got border on one side of the sari. In the border, you can see the grey color has been highlighted with the base grey color and mango buttas on in the border. It's a very beautiful sari. And in the pallu,
Pallu's got a nice beautiful dancing doll in a black base. So that will be the pallu for you.
it has got nice printed blouse. This is sari number 7.
6.
6? Yeah. This is sari number 6, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Move on to sari number 7. This sari, it's all full wine sari, full of wines, printed in grey color. It's a very elegant sari. It has got only single side border. The border is also grey based and vines printed on the borders. This is how the sari looks. And in the pallu, it's got nice printed pallu. And a nice off-white printed blouse. This is sari number?
Sari number 7, priced at $15.99.
Yeah.
To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above numbers. Moving on to sari number 8.
Sari number 8. So nice, beautiful vines printed in blue, grey and red. It has got border on one side with red based and vines, printed vines. And moving on to the pallu, it has got nice peacock in blue and red, and it has got a nice printed blouse. To block the sari, you can take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is sari number?
Sari number 8, priced at $15.99.
Yeah. Moving on to sari number 9. It's like the sari which I am wearing. The only thing is that the color differs in the borders and the print. As you can see, in this, the borders are all green based, fully vines printed in the mid portion of the sari. You have birds in green and red. And it has got both sides border. This is how the sari looks. In the pallu, you can see beautiful peacocks in green and red. And it has got nice green color printed blouse. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. This is sari number?
Sari number 9, priced at $15.99.
This is sari number 9, right?
10.
10.
So moving on to sari number 10. Sari number 10
Is again the same sari what I am wearing, but different color. the border you can see it is blue based border with nice peacocks and vines printed on it. This is how the saree looks. The pallu has got two beautiful peacocks, blue based pallu, and it has got nice indigo based blouse. This is saree number 10, priced at $15.99. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us.
To block any of the sarees in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to our number 9845-996-886. We have options like Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, or you may also pay through an InstaMojo link. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are Ameyo Online. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our future videos. And you may also visit our store. We are in Sharat City Capital Mall. As of now, we are in lockdown, so we shall soon be open. And thank you.
Happy shopping.
Stay safe. Happy shopping.